So friends, in this video, we are going to tell you about one trick about Gmail. And friends, this video is going to be helpful for all of you who actually receive multiple mails from multiple vendors, and all these mails are actually promotional mails and they fill your inbox like hell. And these mails won't be of any use to anyone, and that is why you are looking to block these mails, and so that you don't receive such mails in your inbox or in your mailbox. So friends, what you all need to do is follow our two tricks that we are going to explain in this video. So first trick is actually a manual trick which will actually enable you to select particular mails which are actually not useful for you and block them. So what we are going to do is, firstly, we need to look for mails which are actually not useful. So for example, I have opened this mailbox, which is my Gmail itself, and you can see there are a couple of mails which are not of use. For example, this PSafe mail, this zoom in mail, this is something like promotional mail. Similar kind of mail is there. Again, this one, this one, this one, and there are hundreds of such mails. So what all you need to do is, whenever you receive such mails, you need to select these mails and click these three dots. And in these three dots, you need to click report spam. After doing this, you need to do report spam and unsubscribe. What will happen is, now whenever they send a mail from the same mailbox, it will go into spam itself, or it won't come again in your inbox. So this was a manual trick that you can do, but again, it's a very big and lengthy process to do for such a large inbox. So for this automation, there is a application on Android, as well as you can use it on your browser as well. So what all you need to do is, you need to go to unroll.me, and this website, or you can say this application, will help you clean your inbox as well as unsubscribe all these promotional mails from your inbox. So friends, as you can see here, it's asking us to sign up or download its Google Play, or we can say Android application. So what we'll do is, we will do it on browser itself and sign up over here. So for sign up, as you can see, there are multiple options from which particular mailbox you want to actually log in. So here you can see it's sign in with Google, sign in with Yahoo, Outlook, or AOL. So we are going to do it for Gmail. So that is why we are signing it through Google. You need to accept all the terms and conditions, and also now you need to select the account which you actually want to block, or you want to unsubscribe the promotional mails. So I'm going to select one of the mailbox from my Gmail. So after selecting it, it will ask for certain permissions, and read it carefully. These are actually important permissions. As you can see, it writes, it will take access to read, compose, send, and permanently delete all your emails from Gmail, which is a actually big deal to allow such permission. But as this is an authentic application, we are going ahead with this. You can take your own consent while doing this. I'm fine to do this. That is why I'm going ahead. So after doing all these things, it will actually scan your inbox and will find out what all promotional mails that you are going to get on a daily basis. So as you can see, there are almost 64 promotional or email subscriptions that I have in my inbox. So it's easy, right? So now it, in a very short term, it has highlighted all the services or email subscriptions that I have in my email box, and I can just do unsubscribe to all in a single click. Or even what I can do is, we can just go through this particular list and then click unsubscribe against this. For example, there is one mail, academia.mail.com. So we need to just put a unsubscribe over here. Similarly, ACO, unsubscribe. Acres, unsubscribe. Similarly, now for B, big basket, I'm not doing the unsubscribe because it can give me bills or my order details and couple of things which can be important, so I'm keeping it. Similarly, you can also go through the complete list which you think can be useful or which are actually junk. So after going through the complete list, what will happen is you can see over here I have unsubscribed 5 services, and after doing this just click finish editing, and doing this will help you cluttering out all the unwanted mails from your email box, and you will not receive any such mails again in your inbox. Hope friends this is going to help you in cleaning your Gmail inbox, and it will actually help you concentrating on important mails. So if you like this video, please do subscribe our channel because we are going to create such amazing content for you always.